What's up guys, and welcome to the 9th tutorial of programming in Java using Eclipse. And in this tutorial it's all about bitwise operators. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so the first thing you gotta do is go right to the top, or not even the top, just go to the src folder, right click this, go to new Java, make a class, call this test, click this, press finish, and then we can start coding this. But before we actually start coding this, I'm just going to say what this tutorial actually consists of. So we're going to have an AND operator, so I'll just put a comment here. We're going to have AND, we'll have OR, we will have XOR, we will also have a tilde, which is binary ones complement. So I'll just say binary ones complement. Binary left shift operator, binary right shift operator, so there it is, shift right zero fill operator, so that's with the 3 greater signs. Okay, we are now ready to start the actual coding itself. So if I go right to the bottom and type in int a equals 60, close that off. Go to the next line and type in int b equals 13, close that off. Int c equals 0, close that off, and then go right here and put this in binary format, so we can say 60 equals 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Move on to the next line and type in 13 equals 0 0 0 0 space 1 1 0 1. So 8 plus 4 plus 1 gives us 13. And we can now move on to the next line and type in C equals A ampersand B, close that off, comment this and say 12 equals 0 0 0 0 space 1 1 0 0. Move on to the next line and say system out print, click that, and now put in A ampersand B space equals, have another space, and then put C in, put a C in there, and hopefully when we run that we should get A and B equals 12. So that actually equals 12, because we're looking at everything in here and everything in there, so it's just these two. Okay, and now we can move on to the next line, which is, we can actually just copy this and just start changing all the variables and whatever. So we can say C equals A or B, and then we get 61. I'll show you how we got 61. So that's 0 0 1 1, and this one is also 1. Everything in here and everything in here. So when you merge these two together, you get that. So this one, and then this one, these two, and then the last one equals 61. So when we execute that, we should now get 61 for this. Okay, let's move on to the next line. So if I just paste what we had saved in memory, I can now say A to the power of, this is XOR. Binary XOR operators copies the bits if it is set in one operand but not in both. Okay, so this should give us 49. I'll show you how it gives us 49. So if I just put in 49 there and say 0011 and 1, remove all this, put zeros there. So you must be asking, how did we get that? I need to still change this. So if I just change that, change this as well. So the bits just get copied, and that's how we get 49. Okay, so the next one is binary ones complement, the tilde operator. So let's just copy all of this, paste it here, and we can change this to C equals tilde A, and this will give us minus 61. You must be thinking, how did he get minus 61? I'll show you. 1 1 0 0. So 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. So the bits have all been flipped. These two bits are now here, and these two bits are now here. So you see, so we went from this all the way to this. So the bits are just flipped, and this gives us minus 61. Okay, let's move on to the next one. And the next one is the binary left shift operator. So C equals A less than B, or less than 2. We don't need B in there. So we need to shift everything to the left twice. So if I look at this one, I can shift that to the left twice, so I am left with, so at the minute we start off with this, and then if we shift this, we just put in 2 1s here, and then this one goes to 2 zeros, and then we are left with 240. So that gives us 240. And the next line, we still need to change some of these things that I forgot to change. So tilde, so this one's correct, this one's correct, this one's correct. This one needs to be changed to tilde, so tilde A. This one needs to be changed to this. So if I just copy all of this, there you go. So if I just copy this, paste it onto the next line, and just change the values around, or the signs. This needs to be changed greater than, this needs to be changed to greater than, and then the outcome will be 15. So if I just remove this, that is the outcome, and then this changed to 15. The next one is the shift right zero fill operator. So if I just copy this, paste that there, put another greater sign there, put another greater sign there, and then put in zeros there, so 4 zeros there. Okay, so we can execute this, and then when we execute this, we will get 12, 61, 49, minus 61, 240, 15, and 15. So let's execute this and see what we get. Okay, so we got 12, 61, 49, minus 61, 240, 15, and 15. Alright, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.